Attention all bargain lovers. This one is a steal of a deal. This custom built home was complete in March of 2015. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, over 2,300 square foot, and is priced under market value at $274,500. As soon as you walk through the door, you're greeted by tons of natural light, beautiful hardwood floors, and crown molding everywhere you look. To the right of the entry is a formal dining or a formal living that opens up to a huge family room with large windows and a fireplace framed with custom-built tins. The luxurious kitchen is sure to satisfy the chef in your family with upgraded granite, stainless appliances, an abundance of cabinets in a modern color, and enough counter space to prep meals for all those family dinners and holiday parties. The breakfast area opens to the kitchen and is large enough to be used as a regular dining room. Just down the hall is a great master bedroom with a large spa-like bathroom that includes double sinks with a vanity space, a large marble shower, separate water closet, a linen closet, and a large garden tub. Both of the guest rooms are a great size and share a bathroom with double sinks. The laundry room is located just off the kitchen and has a sink plus a large pantry. Not only do we love the inside of this house, but we are in love with the large back patio with beautiful country views. You'll forget you're only minutes from town. This good as new home is at an unbeatable price and won't be available long. So give us a call and let us help you find your next home sweet home.